Welcome to Atlas Kitchen and Interiors. With over 2 decades of experience, our passionate team brings homes to life, blending functionality with beautiful design. More than 10,000 happy clients across India and beyond. At Atlas, every journey is personal, built on trust, collaboration, and care. Explore our curated experience center, featuring modular kitchens, wardrobes, aluminum and glass kitchen solutions, crafted to match your style and lifestyle. At the heart of Atlas is our advanced factory, equipped with German standard machines like beam saws and CNC boring systems to deliver precision and speed in every build. Backed by 250+ skilled technicians and expert designers, we ensure unmatched quality and consistency. Every material is thoroughly checked because perfection is in the details. With automated workflows and precision tools, our facility ensures every piece is made to fit, last, and inspire. From concept to installation, our united team delivers. From showroom to your home, Atlas delivers interiors that are functional, elegant, and built on trust. This is Atlas Kitchen and Interiors. Celebrate the space. With locations in Trivandrum, Cochin, Calicut, and the UAE, we bring quality and trust to homes across regions.